Good morning. I have been asked to explain how to export a linkable list of books from Destiny. And specifically, I was asked about Destiny Quest, and I went in here. And if you look on the lower right hand side, you'll see here's a list. And if I click this, this is all my list. So there's a lot of lists. Um, but I cannot do really anything from Destiny Quest. So I have to exit Quest, go back to Classic Destiny. See, it doesn't want me to do that. I'm going to log in. And then you go to the catalog and the resource list, which is on the left side. And again, you're going to get your list of your book list that you've created. And if I go down to my school safety list, I have a range of options here. And you'll see none of these are they're basically just a list of the list. So even if I print it out, it's just a list of the list. There's not going to be a linkable upload or link of any sort. So the only way to do it is over here on the left is to go to Destiny Discover. And then up here in the upper left hand side, click the menu and choose collections. The only way to do this that I could figure out was to create a collection. So the way you want to do it, you have to be logged in, click private, and a collection is just a digital collection of resources. So kind of like a mini database, I guess. You can see I have other book lists. Here's my project list. Here's Matt De La Pena. Winter's Challenge books. So the way you do it is in the lower right-hand corner, you'll see a plus sign. So you're going to click the plus sign. And notice the very first option you have is import resource list. So we're going to click that, and it's going to give us the same list. I create the list in Classic Destiny, but then I have access to them both in Quest and in Discover. And I'll be honest, I hardly use Quest anymore, or at all. And then I can make it visible to my school, my district, or the public. And then if I click next, I can choose, what audience this is for. I just make this literacy. And then if you click the little button, you can change the picture. You can upload a picture. I've not had a lot of luck with the pictures. They always look weird when I upload them. So I like the stock pictures, pretty good. And I don't know what's jumping. Ooh, here's a fashion one. I have a sewing class now. Um, I'm just going to make it a peaceful little scene. And then see, I can change the color. Maybe that green. Oh, I kind of like that green. Okay. No, green. All right. And then click create. So now you'll see over here on the left side, the 31 items, that's how many books I had in my list. Here is all of the information I put in there, and I just imported it. And you'll see you can do it several different ways, right? But here, if you click on the button where it has the big squares, you'll get the picture of the book, the title, which is a link, the call number, and then a summary and subject tags. But if I click the title, it's going to open it up in Destiny Discover to the actual book. So if I had limited this to ebooks, which my list is not limited to ebooks, then it would let me, you would be able to check it out and read it right there, or audiobooks, any digital book. So you can see here all my books. There is a limit to 99 books. You'd only put 99 in at one time on one list, which if you noticed on the other screen with the list of my collections, I had mythology books split up because I had like 250. All right, so here in the very upper left-hand side, you'll see the share symbol. First of all, here is your toolbox, so you can edit it. You can add things to it. You can also add sorry, the plus sign, you can't add any more books. You have to import them at the creation of collections. But you could add a list of books, you could add notes, you could add websites, you can add whatever you want. You can add other collections. All right, so here is my share symbol, and I'm going to click it and make anyone with the link can view. And then here is my link. You can put it in Classroom, or you can simply email it out to the person that you're creating the linkable book list to, which I have done both of those things. So this is how I would do it if I wanted to send a linkable book list. This is really the only place in Destiny that it's going to let you do it. You really can't do it from Quest or even from Classic Destiny. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Please feel free to email me or call if you need more help. Thanks.